Hi guys, update on Bitcoin here. So I'm on the daily time frame. So what I consider now is I found this trend line here because I like to find trend lines with minimum 3 touch lines, and here I found one with 4 touch lines. So I consider this as a sub trend line actually, where I really can look at. And if I consider this move, that's the small move that I call. Then I have a golden buy zone here. That's a golden zone mini that I call it because it's only the last up here. So because we closed below the thing, and then here we are testing. So now we are going to lower areas, and this definitely would be in the possibilities. So and then we could test it on this trend line, and there is also even a possibility to go further down, because then this would be the channel that I found here. So you have a channel here, the blue line, and this is the opposite blue line hitting these. So this blue is actually a channel that I see, and so it could go up to this test line, and then weak maybe to there even possible. But let's not immediately think that, because I like to look at my MACD. So on the daily, I'm still really down. Nothing clear red already, so nothing shows that we are going up immediately on the daily. If I go to the 4 hours, and then it gets interesting. So here I'm looking at the somewhat smaller time frame. Then we clearly see that we have here kind of a double top. It's not really, but a kind of a double top. So, and we're going down a little bit. But as soon as we go lower than this point, we start having strong bullish divergence on the 4 hours. So, and that would coincide with maybe, the 200 MA on the 4 hours. It could find support there, of course, but it could go into my mini buy zone here. Um, so we have to consider here, because the MACD, you see that we are turning on the MACD, but as you have to have like the green candles, it has to go through. And if I go to the 1 hour, even you see on the 1 hour, we need to go down a little bit. We're starting a downtrend. So if I look at my MACDs on the different time frames, and on the bullish divergence that would come like from the 1 hour, then the 4 hours here downwards. So that would be strong bullish divergence pressure that would come here. So my consideration of the moment would be, let me go to a little bit higher time frame here, would be that we're going more down, so testing this and going more down. But I think on the 1 hour we're going more down. Once we are going lower than this price, that's 42,800 something, so this bottom, if we go lower than that, it starts to be strong bullish divergence on the shorter time frames, 1 and 4 hours. So that could start pressing it up, sorry. And so because of this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touch lines, I wouldn't be like totally surprised if even we would go to this point here, 40, 42, 40. That's where it could be heading now. So this is the middle point of my channel. Sometimes a coin that's in a clear channel, the last move could stop like at the middle of the channel and then go up. So that's also a possibility. But we don't like too many possibilities. So let's say we look at our MACD on the 4 hours, to keep it really simple to help you out here. So if this is really going up, and we start seeing green candles on the 4 hours, then we can be optimistic that we are on the upside. And you can start, of course, looking at the 1 hour, where this would be finished and turn around, and we are back into the green. Always see first on the 1 hour, then 4 hours and daily to see positive upside, of course. So to recapitulate here a little bit, I think it's going down a little bit more, and as soon as we see the MACD on the 1 hour turn around, and we look and we see the 4 hours as well turning around, then somewhere here I think it will turn around, maybe test there if it really wants to take the whole place here and then go back up. That's my best speculation. Of course, we never know where the bottom of these things are going to be, but that's my take. It will go down a little bit more before it turns, and we know where to look at. That's the most important thing. And as soon as the price goes lower than this point, we start having strong bullish divergence, probably because we always have to compare with the RSI. So that would be, I'm looking then at here this point. This is the daily, sorry, on the 4 hour. So here we have a low point on the RSI, and here we have the same comparable point here on the price action. So as soon as the price, which is a lot closer here, go down this point, and then probably the RSI will not be lower than this point. In that case, we start having strong bullish divergence on the 4 hours, and then also on the 1 hour. I hope it's not too much information here, but that's what I wanted to share with you. Like, share, comment if you like it, and I like to hear from you. Talk to you later. Bye.